Part 3 of Motivational Sentences, Quotation and Maxims. Myself is Dheeraj Kumar Singh, practicing advocate of Allahabad High Court. If you have not subscribed my channel so far, I humbly request you to subscribe my channel and like and share it with others so that I can get inspiration and motivation to make more videos and others may take benefit thereof. Let us start part 3 of the motivational sentences and quotations and maxims from serial number 51 to 75. 51. Dreamers always fly. Non-dreamers see opportunity. Non-dreamers see difficulty. 52. Great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended. 53. If you want success, forget excuses, and if you want excuses, forget successes. 54. Success can be achieved only by those who try and keep trying. 55. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. 56. A stone is broken by the last stroke of hammer. This does not mean that the first stroke is useless. Success is the result of continuous and persistent efforts. 57. Freedom is not given, it is taken. The road to success is not far and cloudy. 58. Difficulties can never be greater than your capability to solve them. 59. Everyone may not be nice, but there is something nice in everyone. Never keep a fixed image for anyone because people act differently with different people. 60. Expecting and accepting are two sides of life, where expecting ends in fears while accepting makes you cheer. Accept life the way it comes. 61. We are all born with a divine fire in us. Our efforts should be to give wings to this fire and fill the world with the glow of its goodness. President Abdul Kalam. 62. The earth contains diamonds, rocks, mud, and dust. Each one gets what he seeks. 63. Your hardest times often lead to the greatest moment of your life. Keep the faith, it will all be worth it in the end. 64. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. 65. It is not enough to have knowledge, one must apply it. It is not enough to have wishes, you must accomplish. 66. There is no shame in beginning. 67. You believe what you see. 68. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. 69. All fingers are not in the same length, but when they bend, all stands equal. Life becomes easy when we bend and adjust all situations. 70. Everything is valuable only in two situations. First, before getting it. Second, after losing it. In between, we don't realize the value of anything. 71. Teachers remain teachers throughout the life. 72. Life is a journey with problems to solve and lessons to learn, but most of all, experiences to enjoy. 73. A clear rejection is always better than fake promise. 74. Teaching is not just restricted to books. 75. Walk with God. He is one who will keep you on the track. Please subscribe my channel and like and share it with others. Thank you for listening this audio patiently and attentively.